How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite green powder and my favorite protein powder. And these are raw. This is a raw vegan product, and I do not sell any products. I'm just sharing something that I've been using for quite a while, and I think it's a great product. So I wanted to make a video about this. And my favorite green powder and protein powder is by Marcus Roscrans. It's called the Green Pro C. It's basically green protein and a vitamin C mixed together. And again, this is all raw, vegan, and it's his most popular 3 products that are just put into one bag. So you can actually get just the green powder, just the protein powder, or just the vitamin C powder. But I like the Green Pro C because that has all 3 mixed. And essentially what this is just dried up plants, fruits, greens, and herbs that were put into powder. And I use this in my smoothies usually. You can just blend it in water and take it, or you can put it in a smoothie and take it that way as well. And the reason I really like this is because it's super nutrient dense, and also because it's raw vegan as well. But I've compared it with a lot of other things that are on the market, and I think this is definitely the best type of green powder or protein powder. And I love it that it has the vitamin C as well, because the vitamin C that it has in here is actually just from plants. It's like natural vitamin C. So it's not like if you go and you take a vitamin C supplement, like a pill or something like that, like pretty much what's sold at the stores, at the grocery store, or at, the drugstore. Those are made in a lab. Those aren't really natural, but the vitamin C that's in this Green Pro C mix is just from dried plants. So he basically takes plants that have the highest concentration of vitamin C, and he puts them in this mix here. So I'm just going to share some of the things that are in this. Has the ingredient list back there, so you can see the different ingredients, and you can also look it up online. I'll put a link in the description box to this so you can see it more closely. But it has all kinds of different herbs and plants and greens and berries and things like that. And also it's really high in nutrition. The nutrients, like one serving, for example, has let's see, vitamin C has 500 milligrams of vitamin C in one serving, and that's again just from the plants. And it's really high in vitamin A, vitamin B, different B vitamins, iodine. It even has that. And it also gives a breakdown of the amino acid protein profile. So the protein amino acid profile gives a breakdown of all that. It has a lot of fiber. So one serving of this is 228 calories, and it's a half of a cup. That's one serving. So I use a half of a cup in my smoothie, and sometimes I'll just have it mixed in water. So you could do either way. I think it actually tastes good in the smoothie. I know some people like to have it just in water or juice, but I don't think it tastes as good that way. I think it actually tastes good when you put it in the smoothie. If you do like a fruit smoothie and then balance out with a serving of this. So yeah, just a smoothie with a lot of bananas, berries. You can do like frozen pineapple, coconut water, different things like that. And this bag has 15 servings of a half a cup. If you did a half a cup serving, you could always start off with just a quarter cup, and then you can work your way up to the half a cup if you're not used to it, if you've never had it before. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to put a link in the description box for this if anyone's interested. Again, I don't sell it, but I just think it's a really good product. So I wanted to make a video on it. And that's pretty much it. So if you'd like to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I specialize in plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting, calisthenic workouts. And if you'd like help, send me a message, because I am coaching people now on fat loss and wellness and fitness. So I hope everyone has a great day. Make sure you like the video, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.